Rotorua at the moment, and we are heading off to Turangi soon. It is currently 8:03 p.m. on Good Friday. We just want to say, for last time, it was our first vlog and there wasn't a lot of talking, and that was mainly because of copyright. So we didn't realize that music was playing in the background of half of our videos, which sucks, so we couldn't include a lot of what we wanted to include. I actually just did it about 5 minutes ago, and then I fully realized that the music was playing. But yeah, so we're gonna head out now. We just finished filling up the gas.
Insert complaint about fuel prices here.
And that's where we're sleeping for tonight. It's quite cold here, but we should be fine. Right, see you guys in the morning. Good night. Hi guys, Tian here. We are currently at the petrol station, gas station, whatever you want to call it. We are off on another adventure. We are on our way to
Raetihi.
Huh?
Raetihi.
Say it?
Raetihi.
That's where we're going. Not sure where it is, but I guess we're gonna find out together. Yeah, it's currently Sunday, the 1st of April, April Fool's. Actually not anymore because it's just gone past noon. But yeah, we're gonna take you along with us. So we've literally parked up on the side of the road. Was getting his shoes on. And the waterfall is somewhere that way. You can hear it, so we must be close. Oh, oh well, there it is. How cool. Pretty cool. We're just gonna explore the rest of the park now. So you can camp for free, you can come picnic or just come swimming like what those guys are. You don't have to pay, as long as you take your rubbish with you, you should be good. There's a big setup. How cool. There's the river, but there's not really a lot to do there. So we saw a sign that had a what was it called? Like a Western town thing. So we're gonna check that out. That might be cool. Yeah, I'll show you how it goes. So we got to the end of this really long road, thinking that there was gonna be a cool Western town. And this is what we got. That is it. And then like a whole bunch of no trespassing, private property signs. So that was great. We're gonna go try and get up to the top of the two-door ski field for you guys. We're just gonna try and get a cool pic for social media. Oh, which one is holding on? I think that's gonna work. Guys, look at the view right now. Wow, the lack of view. It's crazy. different one. Morning, guys. Oh, good morning, guys. One thing I've noticed about staying at a campsite with a lot of other campers is that there's always people driving past. So there was someone parked up right there last night, say 12 o'clock they came in. Yes, oh, a couple of bugs. Yeah, so they were parked up right there and they've left already. It's around 7 o'clock, so they wouldn't have got a lot of sleep. And yeah, and over there as well, someone parked up there and just all night. Oh, there we go. Someone's coming. I'll get you in a sneakier angle. There we go. See? Look at someone else. Oh, here comes someone else. Yeah, we got that pretty much all night. So I wouldn't say it was one of our better sleeps, but at least we got to sleep. That's the main thing.
Morning, guys. It is the next day after the last one.
We're in Taupo now. I think this is going to be pretty much it. We're just heading home afterwards, so there's not a lot more going on. But we got hot chocolates because we're freaking freezing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time.